क्या हो गया भाई, इतना सैड क्यों है?
अरे यार मतलब बोर हो रहा है लाइफ में, कुछ मस्ती नहीं रही यार, मतलब जस्ट फील्स लो ब्रो, एवरीथिंग्स डल।
रियली?
या ब्रो
देख आज सैटरडे है,
हाँ क्या है?
यूनाइटेड और एवर्टन का मैच है, चलना है क्या थोड़े मजे लेने?
हाँ ब्रो, मैंने तो जूते भी पहने, चल
तो मैंने भी पहने।
चल 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 चल। सर्कल बैठ के एंड ऐसा कहा जाता है कि एन एवरेज मूवमेंटर स्पेंड्स 4 years ऑफ हिज लाइफ इन चूजिंग द मैन।
ये कहाँ डाल तो जिंदगी है, तो हम लोग जा रहे हो। लेट्स गो।
What is up भाई, कोई आया ही नहीं मैच। तू तो बैंगलोर से आया।
भाई बैंगलोर का एयरपोर्ट हैदराबाद में है, वहाँ से आया मैं। तो अंधेरी से 40 मिनट इधर आए, 2 घंटे मतलब इंडिगो का फ्लाइट लेके आया हूँ मैं, और साला कोई आया ही नहीं यार। भाई देखो एक बात बोलूँ, लिवरपूल अपने जगह पे है, आई एम अ लिटिल वरीड। तो हम लोग जब बड़े हो रहे थे यूनाइटेड वाज इट। दिस इज वरिंग एज अ फुटबॉल फैन कि कोई है ही नहीं मैच देखने
मतलब
के लिए।
अच्छा भी लग रहा है बहुत,
of course,
but
right.
still obviously as a football romantic it's very sad है, but hardly any people are here.
बट आई थिंक अपने को कुछ लोगों से बात करनी चाहिए कि
I agree.
चल क्या रहा है।
I agree, let's head inside. चल। And pull है, pull push किया था तूने last time, चल।
भाई एक बात बता, क्या हाल है भाई यूनाइटेड के? इतना खाली, मतलब गड़बड़ क्या हो रही है?
This is how the season has been. यही मतलब अलग कुछ नहीं है। आज भी एवर्टन, I think like we were discussing before this as well. If Everton win today, you said Everton would go 4 points clear.
It's hard to understand what's happening and पूरा टाइम मैनेजर को देख यार नीचे बैठा हुआ रहता है, परेशान लग रहा है। It feels like he wants to get sacked and wants to get done with this यार, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है seriously. I don't.
अमोरिम थोड़ा मेरे को ना जिद्दी लगता है। तेरा असेसमेंट क्या अमोरिम का? डू यू थिंक इज द राइट मैन?
One of the things about being a United fan is you back the manager.
Yeah.
And I'm very much into backing the manager. So I'm from Aberdeen. Alex Ferguson was our manager. And then he went to United. So everyone started to support United. And Fergie had a tough time at United.
He did, yes.
And Tara Fergie and all that stuff. And you back the manager. So I am fundamentally in backing it.
I don't think that Amorim is going to survive for long. I think he'll be sacked before the end of the season.
Really?
Yeah. They'll bring in a caretaker manager and in the summer probably bring in someone else.
Wow.
PSR का हमारा condition and financial condition ऐसा है कि we cannot get the players Amorim would need to implement a system at least in not another 2 or 3 windows. And I don't think that he has the capability with the current team to even go into the top 10.
Ten Hag 2 trophy जीता. Okay, let's be honest यार, मतलब now Ten Hag looks like prime Mourinho when you compare it to what United are going through right now. Do you think कि law of averages will finally work है? ये वो manager नहीं है, because सब लोग ये बोलते हैं कि you have to give him more time.
I didn't think Ten Hag had it quite right. I think he's a good guy, but I don't think he had it right. I don't necessarily like the way that Amorim plays football, but you've got to back the manager.
I think Amorim is the right man. We should trust him, trust the process.
I just feel like what Amorim is doing just by sticking to his own system is actually good for the club in the long run.
नहीं, मेरे को लगता है एक तो मिड सीजन उसको लाना थोड़ा अनफेयर तो है कि यार मिड सीजन किसी को ला के बोलो, रैगनिक जैसा था कि मिड सीजन ला के एकदम मिरेकल एक्सपेक्ट करना बहुत मुश्किल है। मगर दिस व्हाट हैपनिंग नाउ इज रियली आउट ऑफ दिस थिंग कि इतना भी एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है। बट मेरे को लगता है यू हैव टू गिव हिम वन मोर सीजन, और कोई चारा ही नहीं है। जब तक उसको और एक ट्रांसफर विंडो और उसके एक प्लेयर्स थोड़े बहुत दे नहीं दो, it will be unfair, मतलब सैक तो नहीं कर सकते।
And we don't even have the kind of players that Amorim needs to, get us to play his system.
We should give him time, but we've given time to every other manager.
Yeah.
And that is what's been happening. तो यही होते आ रहा है. So I'm just a bit scared now. Like I've been supporting United since what? I was 11 years old.
14 साल हो गए।
Do I think the manager could do something? Yeah, of course I do. But United as a football club should be backing managers. That up until the last 10 years, that's what we did as a club. We've got to get back to that because that's really, really important.
I feel he's the right man to be here. He's young, dynamic hai. He knows what the modern game requires.
I think so the tag that Manchester United carries, that's a big burden on the players.
Like बहुत सारे यूनाइटेड फैंस बोल रहे हैं कि यार ये सीजन ऑफ कर दो, ये कर दो. ऐसा नहीं होता यार फुटबॉल में. आई थिंक इफ यू लूज every match में confidence कम होता है.
I've slowly started losing interest in football, and this has been the love of my life.
There are no matches to watch anymore for them, right?
Draw or lose, we aren't winning anything right now. Tough times, but I think there's hope.
The great Shri Ryan Giggs ने कहा था कि we will never go as low as Liverpool. I'm paraphrasing him. Do you think अभी सुनील भाई कि this is going below Liverpool? What? Sure, we went 30 years without winning a West, but ऐसा तो Liverpool कभी भी नहीं था. Like what is happening? Do you think you have surpassed that low जो Liverpool का था?
नंबर ऑफ इयर्स तो उतना नहीं हुआ है, बट या आई थिंक ये ड्रास्टिक पिछले 2-3 साल में ड्रास्टिक हो गया.
See, Amorim ने I think उसके इतने अभी 2-3 महीने जितने हो गए, in the early days, he said it twice I think, twice or thrice in press conferences, this club needs a shock.
ये शॉक नहीं है.
Clearly it's not enough. Clearly it's not enough. I know obviously it's all farcical मेरे को ऐसा बोलने के लिए कि नहीं I wish relegate हो जाए, we'll come back from the championship, will be a good reset. But no, it is scary at this point.
I think Moyes के टाइम पे when he got sacked, not qualifying for Champions League was a low. उसके बाद हमारा नीचे गिरते जा रहा है यार कि 8th आना was a shock and अब देखो 15th पे है and मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा drastic drop हो गया.
If I'm allowed to dream, right, I think if a Middle Eastern group comes in, buys of the entire club, gets rid of the debt in a single transaction, that is probably the best case scenario. And it probably would have happened had Jim Ratcliffe not lobbied so hard to buy United. I mean, buy into United.
I don't think it's a penalty. I don't. When they go to the monitor, they always reverse it.
मुझे तो सिर्फ रिएक्शन चाहिए था यार. आई वांट 2-0 डाउन, एक रिएक्शन चाहिए था तो आई एम हैप्पी. एटलीस्ट एक रिएक्शन आया. अब इससे आगे जाके डू वी इम्प्रूव और नॉट वो तो वक्त बताएगा, बट एटलीस्ट विद द रिएक्शन आई एम हैप्पी.
I'm not entirely happy with the result, but it's okay. Like it's better getting a point than losing everything.
Were you fearing the worst at halftime? Did you?
No. I was always positive. In fact, this should have been a win game.
Given the results we've had in the last few weeks, I was really pessimistic. But like a lot of us said, 1 point is a positive.
Last penalty of the game. Sorry, last corner of the game.
We good to go, bhai?
Yeah. Go now whenever.
Yeah, ready.
But let's talk about the better things. You know, like okay, Sunil bhai.
Bhai, firstly, thank you. Happy to be on Menace and the Monk.
But coffee with Karan.
नहीं, but अच्छा लगता है मतलब तो.
Who do you want to see win the league? Arsenal or Liverpool?
I think it's a very simple answer for United fans. Arsenal.
It's a very tough one. Who would you rather see win?
Arsenal.
You didn't even let me fucking finish the question.
Never Liverpool.
Never Liverpool. ऐसा क्या उखाड़ा है हमने आपका?
Actually, I don't like Liverpool and Arsenal because I don't like Liverpool because of the Euro rivalry.
अच्छा. Do you have any Liverpool friends?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have. In my
Would you hate someone who has a Liverpool tattoo?
to some extent.
Anyway, okay, fine, ठीक है हाँ.
Arsenal, Liverpool जीत गई तो advantage that United is going to face crazy. Liverpool को जीतने नहीं दे सकते.
Arsenal or Liverpool? Who do you like to see win the title?
Arsenal. I mean, I'm saying that with a lot of disbelief.
जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड की टीम देयर स्क्वाड नीड्स अ रीबिल्ड दे नीड अ लॉट दैट हैपेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन की ज़रूरत है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई रियली वांट टू थैंक थ्री वाइज मंकीज बिकॉज जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं थ्री वाइज मंकीज के बाहर बहुत खुदाई है इट्स अ टिपिकल मुंबई बार पब बिकॉज बार के बाहर अगर खुदाई नहीं हो तो आप मुंबई का पब नहीं हो सकते बट निधि आई थिंक बीइंग अ फुटबॉल सपोर्टर इट इज ऑल अबाउट अप्स एंड डाउन्स भले आज लोग कम आए बट आए दैट इज व्हाट इज ऑल अबाउट राइट
100% यार इट्स मतलब एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ये मैच में अपने को सब कुछ देखने को मिल गया भाई मतलब एब्सोल्यूट डिस्पेयर टू सम होप एंड एंड में फुल कंट्रोवर्सी आल्सो so can't complain as a content creator also cannot complain यार as a football fan as a content creator बहुत मजा आया this was eventful काफी interesting था
and it's so beautiful हम बात करें suddenly एक dog came and started to love us this is what it is all about Menace in the Monk is all about spreading
Dogs?
love no dogs we have the dog in us we have the dog in us है ना baby but guys this was a small little video please video को like करिए and subscribe करिए to Menace in the Monk Nidhi football is this ups and downs we
this
support
is
our team
football absolutely get subscribing and follow us बहुत मस्त content आने वाला है
let's go Nidhi let's go the doggy has slept so shall we